Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we will learn how we can make a perfect modular rig without any issue in Unreal Engine. You can see here we are make a modular rig for our dash character. This is a default modular rig for Unreal Engine, and you can see this is a perfect modular rig without any issue. Here you can see we are modify our animation. This is a idle animation, but we are modify his head here for moving head, and you can see we are bake our animation. Just delete the animation. You can see we are bake our animation by the rig, and it's not any kind of bone issue, bone issue. You can see this is perfectly modified, and we are perfectly use our modular rig here. So let's begin the class. Okay, so first of all, uh, you can see we have a epic skeleton. We just convert the dash skeleton to a epic skeleton. If you don't know how to convert it, you can watch my this video in YouTube. And here you can see we have a epic skeleton. For the dash skeleton, we face some issue to make a modular rig. Okay, uh, for dash skeleton, we can use modular rig, but it's not bake the animation properly. It's fixed. It's just twist the bone, some bone, and uh, make our animation is not good for exporting. So today we are using our dash model, but we convert it to epic. So we just use the default modular rig in Unreal Engine. Okay, so first we are search the modular rig. We are select modular rig, and we just rename it to our character. And now we are double click and open it. And here in the preview section, we select our Zen character. Okay, here is our Zen character, and you can see our root bone is work properly. So if it's a dash model, the root bone is not work properly, we need to add it to a dash rig. Okay, for the demonstration, I'm just head back another dash character which is not convert in epic skeleton. So I'm just uh, make a control rig for it. Okay, so I'm just duplicate the rig and rename it. Okay, it's for the demonstration. Okay, you will know how the difference between a dash character and a epic skeleton. So in the second modular rig segment, I'm just selecting our character here, and if you uh, saw this character, if we are just drag the spine bone, where is spine bone? Here is the spine bone. If I drag it, you can see we have three issue, and we are manually selecting the parents bone, the control bone. So it's too difficult and it's not working properly. So in epic skeleton, if we convert the dash model to a epic skeleton, if we are just drag the spine bone, you can see it's work properly, and it's automatically fixed all the bone. So this will be a great method for using the modular rig for a dash model in Unreal Engine. So now we are just completing the full rig and test it uh, in an animation segment. So here now we are just bring some bone like shoulder, and also need the another shoulder for this character, and we just search the neck bone, and for the better looking I'm just change the view of this bone. Okay, and drag the leg to our character leg socket, and also drag another leg. And now we need the hand. So first of all we just select the epic control. So we are drag the arm here, and you can see the modular rig is properly aligned to our character. And we need the finger socket. We just select all of the finger and drag the finger control to a socket, and it will automatically align to the all finger. Okay, and for another hand we also select all of the socket of finger and drag the hand, drag the finger, and you can see the finger is aligned properly. So you can see we also have the foot, and we just also drag the foot control here, and now our character is properly aligned to our modular rig. We are just make a proper modular rig for our dash character, and let's test it to a animation. Okay, so if we drag the character here, this is our character, and we also drag the rig, you can see automatically animation sequence is great in Unreal Engine, and the rig is work properly, move properly. We are just using an animation. I think it's not work because we need to bake the animation. Okay, so I'm just delete the character and add our skeleton mesh first. So I'm just add our skeleton mesh, then skeleton, and now we are using a animation. Okay, because we are using a pre-making animation, so we need the skeleton mesh first. If you are just make a raw animation by your own, you just use the control rig and make the animation. So here I am need to find the uh, right animation for this character. I am exporting lots of animation for my desk character. So here I'm just find some idle animation, or okay, so this animation will be fine. Okay, so here is our animation. Now you can see our animation is play properly here. Okay, and now I am just bake the animation to our modular rig. Okay, so just go to the bake and search our Zen rig. So this is our Zen rig here. I'm just make it default and bake it, and you can see our animation is properly baked. There is nothing error here. You can see the bone is aligned with properly, and rig also. And this is a great work for dash character. You can see we can modify our animation by using the modular rig here. So if I just use a absolute here, and I want to move her here head like up and down, I'm just selected the key bone first and last, and in the middle I'm just want to drag her head up. Okay, and here I'm just make her head right and left. This is great, and you can see we are just bake the animation by our modular rig and modify our animation. So this will be a perfect modular rig for any kind of dash character if you just convert it to epic skeleton. So again I'm saying, if you don't know how to convert a dash model to your epic skeleton, this is a easy process. Just by a one click, you will just watch my previous video about it, you can learn it properly. So you can see our work is done here. We are perfectly aligned our character, and we perfectly modify our animation by modular rig. So this is how we can make modular rig for dash character. If you like this video and this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.